And welcome back. It is the 12th of June, further maths 5 a day, and let's just jump straight to the first one. Right, algebraic fractions. And it looks quite a difficult one, doesn't it? But I do notice, a little bit sneaky that this is a bid maths question. We had a very similar question on the GCSE recently. So make sure you're doing bid maths here, otherwise the whole thing is wrong. That's going to give me x minus 2 over x plus 1 plus, and then I'm going to do the whole thing in square brackets, keep change flip, so it's going to be x plus 3 over x to the 4 times x to the 3 over, and I've just seen something else, 2x plus 3, which means my x plus 3's cancel, my x cubes cancel with the x4, and actually that's much easier, isn't it? Because that just leaves x minus 2 over x plus 1 plus 1 over 2x. Right, not too bad at all now. So let's make common denominators. I'm going to multiply the left one by 2x, which gives me 2x, x minus 2, plus the right one by x plus 1, which gives me x plus 1. And all this is over 2x, x plus 1. Let's expand and collect. So that's going to be 2x squared minus 4x plus x is minus 3x. I think this might factorize as well. And then plus 1 at the end. And then all of that's divided by 2x over x plus 1. Now, I think that will be okay, unless the question tells you otherwise. But I think I can factorise this, because this factorises down to 2x minus x minus, and they're both 1, and 2 times 1 is minus 2. Yeah, that's right. So you could factorise it, but I have to say I think either answer is fine, unless it tells you otherwise. Either way, question done. Next question. The nth term of a sequence is this thing here. The difference between two consecutive terms is 21. Wow, okay. So un plus 1, I'm going to do un, and I'm going to take them away. So un plus 1 is going to be m plus 1 squared minus 2m plus 1 plus 11. Let's expand. So it's going to be n squared plus 2m plus 1 minus 2n minus 2 plus 11. Collect, which is going to be n squared. 2n minus 2n goes away. 1 minus 2 is minus 1 plus 11 is 10. Is that right? N squared plus 10? Yeah, that's okay. And then un is, well, it tells me that. It's n squared minus 2n plus 11. And then I know the difference is 21. So in other words, 1 minus 2 is 21. So n squared plus 10 minus n squared plus 2n minus the minus 11 equals 21. N squared cancel, and then I've got, I paused there because I thought it might cancel out, but it doesn't. 10 minus 11 is minus 1. Add 1 to both sides is 22, is 2n, which means that n is equal to 11. What's the question want? The question wants the two terms. Okay, so then I also need to work out u11 and u12. I'm going to hope there's 21 difference. So u11, using this here, is going to be 11 squared minus 2 times 11 plus 11. So 11 squared minus 2 times 11 plus 11, which is 121. Well, it's 9 times 11 squared, so it's 10 times, so it's 110, isn't it? So I'm just thinking out loud there, because I can factorise the 11 out, which just gives me 10. And then u12 is going to be 144 minus 24 plus 11, which is, I'm hoping without doing any maths, it's 131, but quick check. And it is indeed 131. My difference is 21. And that's it. Done them both. So to be clear, the answer to my question is 110 and 131. Next question. Find a set of values for which this is increasing. Well, increasing means greater than 0 when I differentiate. So when I differentiate, I get 300 minus 12x squared. And I want this to be greater than 0 for it to be increasing. This is a quadratic, and more notably, it's an upside down quadratic. So I want all the values that are between these points here, which in other words means I need these points here. Now I know from the symmetry of the curve, that's going to occur when 300 equals x squared over 12. Bit of rearranging quickly, which means that x is equal to plus minus the square root of 25, which is 5. Now, what am I doing? I'm trying to find out the values where I'm greater than the curve. So in other words, those are all the values between minus 5, x and 5. Question done. Clever little question. That I like that question. Next one. Solve. Okay. Again, this is more tricky than it looks. It's quite easy to get this one wrong. So a few ways of doing this, but the first thing I'm going to do is observe that 3 sine x over cos x equals 4 sine x is the same thing. Then I'm going to multiply through by cos x and move everything to the right. So 0 equals 4 sine x cos x minus 3 sine x. So again, double check you're okay with what I've done there. And then I'm going to factorise out. So 0 equals sine x, 4 cos x minus 3. And then I'm going to find out when this equals 0 and when this equals 0. So sine x equals 0. Let's just check the range. So I don't include 0 and 360. So sine x equals 0 only when x equals 180, because I'm not including the extremes. Similarly, I want cos x to equal 3/4, which means that x equals, calculator out, 41.4. Or using my symmetry of the curve, 360 minus that, which is 318.6. And so my answers are going to be x is equal to, in order, 41.4, 180, or 318.6 degrees. That is it. Question's done. Yeah, let me know how that went for you. As ever, I think they're a good mix of questions, checking different skills. Do like, subscribe. See you tomorrow.